Hello everyone, I'm Brian here at Logan Services. I'm a comfort consultant. Here at Logan Services, we offer several different financing options through Wells Fargo that offer all the way up to 72 months, 0% interest financing options, as well as some options for some folks that are trying to rebuild their credit. Whether this is a proactive purchase, so you're getting ahead of any type of, an aging furnace or AC unit, or reactive, where you didn't expect your furnace and AC to go out and you're now having to replace. Both can be costly repairs. So here at Logan Services, we offer these financing options to allow customers to buy the system that'll make them a lot more comfortable, more efficient units to save them on their utility bills, as well as make it affordable from a monthly payment perspective. So you're not having to come out of your savings account or put it on a high interest credit card. So we do offer those 0% options to allow customers to have a more affordable option and get the system that they want and need. Yeah, the financing application only takes a few minutes. We get instant approval, and we're able to utilize that credit line same day. So that's really good, considering we're able to offer next day installation. So it aligns very well with Logan Services. Yeah, so we offer a new financing program. We call it a second look program. What that is for customers in maybe the rebuilding process of their credit. This option will allow them. It actually can help their credit by getting approved. It's a company called GoodLeap for people that may historically not get approved for traditional financing via Wells Fargo. We offer the second look program because we know that heating and cooling is an essential, right? So we're making sure that we have a financing program for all of our customers, no matter where you're at in your credit journey. I encourage everyone to give us a call, do a free estimate, and see where you land from a credit perspective. Whether it's through Wells Fargo or the Second Look program, I just encourage everyone to at least process the application, allow us to help you, and don't let financing hinder you from getting the heating and cooling comfort that you want.